Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Tasks to Asana. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. Once you are in your Asana dashboard, locate the project where you want to integrate Google Tasks. Click on the project to open it. Now, look for the projects menu at the top and select the Customize option. In the Customization panel, scroll down to the Integrations section. Click on the Add Integration button. In the available integrations list, find and choose the Google Tasks integration. You will be redirected to a page prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and grant Asana the necessary permissions. After connecting your Google account, you'll see options for syncing your tasks. Select the Google Tasks list you want to connect to Asana. Once selected, click on the Connect button to finalize the integration. Return to your Asana project and ensure your Google Tasks are now visible within the project. You can now manage your tasks seamlessly between Google Tasks and Asana. Feel free to add, edit, or complete tasks in either application, and the changes will sync accordingly. This concludes the tutorial on connecting Google Tasks to Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.